If your Maytag front load washer is leaking from the door, not sealing properly, or developing mold buildup, the door gasket could be the issue. I'm Ed with AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I'll show you how to check and replace it. The door gasket, or boot seal, keeps water inside the tub. If it's torn or worn, it could cause leaks and odors. Don't worry, this repair is easier than it sounds. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For this task, you'll need a 1/4-inch nut driver, Phillips head screwdriver, and needle nose pliers. And don't forget to unplug the washer or shut off the breaker before doing anything inside. Next, shut off both the hot and cold water supply valves and disconnect the inlet hoses from the back. Open the washer door and inspect the gasket carefully for tears, cracks, or worn areas, especially along the folds where small items like coins or hairpins may collect. Check the drain ports at the bottom of the gasket for blockages that could cause standing water and leaks. Look for excessive mold or mildew buildup that cannot be cleaned effectively. If the gasket shows visible damage, persistent odor issues, deformation that prevents proper sealing, or signs of leaking during operation, replacement is recommended. Start by removing the 3 screws at the back of the washer's top panel. Slide the panel back and lift it off. Next, remove the user interface assembly. Remove the mounting screws securing the console to the cabinet. From the top, disconnect the wiring harness from the user interface and lift the whole assembly away from the washer. Open the washer door. Use your needle nose pliers to remove the retaining clamp securing the door boot to the front panel. Peel the door boot gasket away from the panel opening and tuck it into the tub to clear the front panel, and remove the screws securing the door lock assembly to the front panel. Remove the screws along the top and bottom edges of the front panel. Lift the panel upward to disengage it from the mounting tabs. Then, lift and remove the entire front panel assembly to expose the front of the tub. Locate the inner retaining clamp, securing the gasket to the tub flange. Using a screwdriver or nut driver, depending on the clamp style, loosen or remove the clamp. Once the clamp is released, peel the gasket away from the front lip of the outer tub and remove it completely from the drum opening. Here's the old door gasket, and here's the new one. If you've already got your replacement, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com using your washer's model number to make sure you get the exact fit. To reinstall the door gasket, begin by positioning the new gasket at the front of the tub. Locate the alignment mark on the gasket and match it up with the corresponding mark on the top of the tub opening. Also, ensure that the drain ports in the gasket are positioned at the bottom. Start at the top, press the inner lip of the gasket firmly over the tub flange. Work your way evenly around the entire circumference, making sure the gasket seats fully into the groove without twisting or folding. Once the gasket is properly seated on the tub, reinstall the inner retaining clamp. After securing the inner clamp, reinstall the front panel. Hang the panel on the mounting tabs, then lower it into place and reinstall the screws along the tops and bottom edges. Reposition the door lock assembly into the front panel and secure it with the mounting screws. With the front panel installed, pull the outer lip of the gasket over the cabinet opening. Work it evenly around the perimeter to ensure it sits flat and untwisted. Reinstall the outer retaining spring or clamp by positioning it into the groove around the gasket. Use needle nose pliers to stretch the spring section as needed and guide it fully into place. Verify the clamp is evenly seated around the entire opening. Once installation is complete, close the washer door and check for proper alignment. Reconnect the ribbon cable and any other connectors and make sure they're snug and seated properly. Tilt the console back up and snap the top tabs into place. And secure it with the original screws. Finally, reinstall the main top by sliding it into place from the rear and securing it with the mounting screws. Restore power and run a short rinse cycle to confirm there are no leaks before returning the washer to regular use. Great job tackling that door gasket replacement. Your Maytag front load washer should now be sealed properly and ready to handle laundry without leaks or odor issues. If you still need a new gasket or any other parts, just grab your washer's model number and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive in just a few days. We'd love to hear how your repair journey went, so feel free to share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for letting us be part of your repair process, and we look forward to helping you with your next DIY project.